cuz? El sistema.
You can't get the full update because you have voice.
We gotta have the system. We got the tins. We got the tins installed. Getting some panels made. Loud and clear with Joel. What are we gonna put in it, Taquito?
Some DS18.
6 voices. The doors. Then we're gonna have like a fiberglass, some shit right there with a mid and a tweeter.
Some shit.
We got the 210s, SAs, the new ones, with a 2500 watt DB drive. Y pues, hasta que le pongamos todo lo prendemos. ¿Verdad, cuz?
Pues no hay de otra raza.
No hay de otra. ¿Qué le vamos a hacer a esta hora, Taquito?
Cambiar el bumper.
Ah, sí, cambiar el bumper. Oh yeah, we got no wheels. 22s. We got no interior, but we got a sub box for a seat. Get up on interior, Taquito.
We're gonna swap it out for a Denali interior. We'll swap
06 conversion,
06 conversion Denali.
Gold Cho,
Oh,
6.0.
from
Gold
doors
pedal.
to all-wheel drive. Gonna get a whole Denali conversion. Stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.
Vamos.
Subscribe. She's old, but we keep it clean.
Pues antes que nada, pues hay que quitar el grill otra vez.
No se está cayendo solo ni nada.
No, pero pues, para poner los 6 bumper. Well, see if I can make it work this time.
Where did the other clip land?
Ahí está, güey.
I know, that's why.
Se estiró.
That's why I put them.
Ya viste las tablitas que pusieron, cuz. Donde tenían las Chevy Lights, ahora tenían atornilladas. Well, we got the grill off.
We got the grill off, and well, we're gonna begin the process.
Be right back.
Oh, that's my boy.
Pues ya quitamos el bumper. The next step, we're gonna grind this down right here. Probably about a 1/4 inch or so. Then drill some new holes right here. Then we're gonna have to add some spacers to bring it up about 1.5 inches or 2. Sit it on there, and it should be good to go. No más que pues no tenemos drill, ¿verdad?
Tenemos nada.
No tenemos drill ni grinder ahorita, pero a ver si sale uno. Well, we got a grinder and a drill, right, Taquito?
Yeah.
And that's how she sits. Fits pretty good. Probably gonna have to end up buying a new bumper though. So it's got the dent right there. Moved it up a little bit too close there, but other than that, on the side the gaps are pretty good, pretty even.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Taquito here, showing you the new build, the GMC. We're gonna do the Denali swap interior to the
Denali swap.
The Denali swap, full Denali swap is gonna be. Stay tuned. Subscribe.
We're gonna do that. full interior swap. I'm gonna swap out the doors, 06. I'm just gonna put the whole front. Might as well, except for the bumper. We're gonna keep the 06 bumper. 6.0. Might make it all-wheel drive or just leave it 4-wheel drive. Don't know yet. We'll decide on that later. Also, a shout out to Checo's Paint and Body for the shirt. Got the logo on it. Make sure y'all hit them up. Whatever y'all need, color match, full paint jobs, collision work, anything.